another day, another video. We've just driven the Project Compo down to the Hallscorts meet. Yeah, should have filmed the journey up here because it was a lot of traffic, so I didn't. Yeah, but we've literally just got here, so I'm just going to take a little look around. I do spy Stiggy's awesome Drift Starlet, so I'll be having a close look at that. Harry, my new thumbs up car friend from work, he jumped in the passenger seat. Got myself a coffee, got the camera on the roll. Let's go and have a look at some cool cars. This is a bit of me all day long. That's a national hot rod thing, isn't it? That dash pod. Yeah.
All the signatures in
you
the
dry
road.
some
Tank.
That should be a panel on that, I take it. For you.
Yeah, it's normally in there.
I didn't realise you were running a floor mount pedal on there. Pedal box.
From Burton's, that.
Yeah.
It's nice bit of sponsorship again for them.
They look after you, yeah?
Yeah, proper.
So are you not competing at the moment? You're just going and doing a bit of skidding about?
I'm still recovering at the moment, so maybe if I recover enough to...
Get back in it. Did you do all the cage work on it?
Sonny Howard does all the national hot rods and that.
Yeah, it looks like a... That's what I said, it's basically a national hot rod.
That was how I originally built it, was to look like a national hot rod on the road. It had trailer arches, side skirts.
Yeah, I remember you had all the perforated bits down there.
Yeah.
That was when it was red, and you done all of these panels yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, Kevlar.
Kevlar, I like that. That's like the cup spoiler that we had on Zach's Fiesta. That's basically like, that is an old TRD type looking thing.
The only problem when you put these on, you can't open your tailgate.
Yeah, that's what we had. But the one that Zach had, it bonded on here, and then you can only lift the boot up like 2 inches.
Well, that's the one I had before, hence the roller holes.
Yeah.
I had the one that went on there, and then I don't know what happened to that, it vanished.
So it's running a Cosy engine on throttle bodies.
2.4.
Yeah. It's a 2.4 lump, nice. And it's you said an RX-8, sorry, 6-speed gearbox, and then you got an Atlas axle, isn't it?
Baby Atlas.
How have you done all the back, like?
It's all on standard twat link now.
Oh, is it? Well, just remounted on the...
Yeah, just cut the brackets off the twat rails off.
I need to come to one of these drift days. We'll bring the Sierra up. Give me a shout next time we go, and we'll bring the Sierra up. You have to take me out there.
Yeah, always do that.
Go for a proper skid up.
Yeah, come up with the old jelly mould.
Yeah. We need to get that back out. How good this comes out.
It's come out alright.
Yeah.
It's not perfect, but...
Did you ever weigh like all of the original panels?
Oh, fuck me, no.
Should have done.
Don't want to know.
Should start doing Fiesta panels. There's a market there.
It shows you how twisted the car is if you look here. This side's like 3 inches off the ground, that side's like 2 inches off the ground.
It's had a hard life though.
No, but I'm surprised it drives as well as it does because how f***ed it is.
It's Kieran's little red Fiesta. Finally get to see it in the flesh. Yeah, man. How are you finding it?
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Have you had this on the dyno yet? Or?
No.
So these are Pulsar. No, what are these? These are.
No, so the bottom half of the manifold was made by Danis too.
Yeah.
And then that's Toyota ITBs off of 4H. So
Yeah.
48mm tapers.
48mm tapers for 25. Sorry, for a 45 plate.
And then
That's Pulsar Plenum.
Pulsar Plenum. Yeah.
That's quite
sells
neat.
those plates.
Who makes that?
The company is Seven Oaks.
Yeah.
I can't remember who makes it.
quite-
It's 120 quid to pay for it.
I know it's a bit of a nightmare to balance.
Yeah. So yeah, just
Like turboed individual throttle bodies can be a bit of a fiddle to get right. But is this his like alternator cooler?
Just give me a bell back.
Got like a little pipe that goes down.
Top mate, cheers mate, turn up.
Yeah, after the issues we had going up to the Fiesta 123 meet, wasn't there?
No issues at all, mate.
The alternator.
No, it was fine. I think it was just because it was
It's all about the issues. They're
I
the
think
most
it was just because it was a
entertaining
cheap eBay alternator, to
really?
be honest. And to be fair, I had it literally coming off of the live, and then the teaser wire was constantly live. So I think I burnt out the voltage regulator because it just had constant 12 volt on there rather than switched. But Yeah, got that sorted now.
So you're running, what gearbox is on this? ST170, same as mine. And you've gone for the passenger foot warmer charge cooler like me.
Yeah.
Nice. It's the only way to do it.
Yeah. I thought I'd put it in before you patterned it. Yeah, it all fits in quite nicely, and then obviously I used to have the teardrop for it.
Yeah, that
straight
didn't
out.
last 5 minutes. You had to get another bonnet, I take
I
it.
brought a bonnet. I've still got the other bonnet.
Yeah.
The idea is to sort one out when we get round to it, but I just was never going to go through the MOT like that.
No.
So.
What seats are these? Are these actual Kirkies?
Kirkies, yeah.
I've never seen Kirkies like this. Can I open it?
Yeah. It's open.
It's
Just got to pull
open.
it up.
Oh, there you go.
It's full.
It's luxury. Look at this. And you've done the remove the dash.
Well, yeah, I didn't mean to remove the dash, but I put the cage in and then the dash didn't fit.
Oh yeah, this is your new cage.
Yeah, which don't look too close. It's not bolted in yet.
Did you buy?
It's a reclinable cage.
Oh, really? Did you buy?
So, I brought the...
These are like stock car door bars on this. Is that what it come with?
It came, so it's a safety devices, it was a full safety devices cage that I brought,
Yeah.
and they'd added the door bars in because it was an oval track car that it came out of. They added the dash bar in as well, and then the back half was my existing cage.
Okay, so
I've just welded the new mounts onto that.
That's your AC.
That's
for
my AC, luxury. It doesn't work for some reason, but
That's wicked. And you got the tower as well.
yeah, again, before you painted it.
And you've had to hack all the inner side, all the inners out of your doors to shut the door
Well,
down.
I'd hacked them all out beforehand, to be
In
honest.
preparation for the race car cage.
I'd already cut them all out, and then the guy was like, "Oh, you're gonna have to cut your door panels out." I was like, "Already done."
Already done it.
Already done, mate. I've done the same with the boot as well. All the boot's gone.
And you got. So let's have a look at your charge cooler setup then. So where's your radiator? Is that the oil cooler?
That's the So the 18-row water cooler in the front is
your charge.
the radiator, and then it's just that.
Oh, that nice. So yeah, you're going ice tank straight to the cooler and then back, or through the rad and then back.
Yeah.
These are nice.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, man. It works. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. We were just talking about that car. Face. Mark 3. Yeah, have you seen Terry's? Have you seen this before?
No.
So he used to have an ST170 on throttle bodies, but he loves a track day, so this is like the perfect track setup.
Yeah.
I just can't believe how neat it all looks. It looks pucker.
Fits so well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, it fits better than a Z-Tech.
Yeah.
Fits so nice. And you also like you've got, because your hot sides on the back, like you've got all this nice cold stuff on the front, and it works, doesn't it?
This is the way we should have done it.
Yeah, it probably is, to be fair.
Pretty jealous right now. And that with a turbo on, unopened, will make more power all day long.
I do 450, 500 on open, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Or at least that's what they do in the States on the
There.
On the K20s they can do that. You can't push the K24s that hard, can you? I think they
Well, I don't know, Lawrence pushed his one and threw rods out the side
exactly,
of it.
yeah.
But
Was his a K24?
No, his is just a K20, but I think he just had a bad motor, bad engine. His new one's had a beating and that seems to be holding up.
You put a gearbox up, did he? Or was it clutch?
3 gearboxes now. That's why he's not here tonight. He's gutted.
Was he using BMW box?
Nah, it's a Supra. It's got all the speed holes in this bracket down here. Oh yeah. Welded drive shafts. I've had bad experiences. Yeah, they're sleeved.
It's that Honda life. It's all that horsepower, no talk.
The wheels on that. Got a big letterbox as well. Oh yeah. Got the S2000 like Digi-Dash as well. So are they not the original seats?
No. I'm going to put Alan on it, like, you know, the bomber seats in.
Yeah.
And then do like bits of alley inside. It will get there. It's just I haven't got a garage at the moment. So.
It looks so small though.
We're fixing
It's
that.
like a little toy car.
Yeah.
Can I have a look inside?
Yeah, of course. There's not a lot in there. That's cool.
Yeah? I don't want it to like fold back on itself. Mate. I'm going to get in it.
My seat's very.
Mate, this is wicked. Maybe I should build myself an Imp.
I thought my car was like. It's pretty much original.
Yeah.
Apart from my
I
steering.
love the like the thermostat.
Yeah.
Like speedo. That's like the Forenza in there.
Yeah.
Tax Forenza.
It looks good at night when it lights up.
Yeah, man.
I was going to retro rides
Yeah.
and it ran perfectly until Retro Rise the day before.
Right.
Went to start
I've
it,
got one of them.
and
Yeah.
it wouldn't air up, and it was having like loads of electrical issues.
Are you
So
still running like? Have you got a big battery on it now for to run the
It's
compressor?
got a little bit bigger, but we
Yeah.
couldn't figure out what it was, and as soon as you tried to air up, it blew the fuses and just went. So we literally tried everything. It got to like 1 o'clock when I was meant to be leaving, pulled the entire loom out, redid like the bits that we could see that were a bit dodgy,
Yeah.
and then put it all back in. So this was in like an hour, and it started.
And you got it. You got it
And
there.
yeah, it's
Wicked.
not. That's why there's wires everywhere. They're not being.
That's right. My car's exactly the same. Don't worry about it. I like the little hula girl.
Yeah, she fell off on the way, so we put some number plate tape on it. So I've got another one of these.
Yeah.
I want to cut this bit out,
Yeah.
put the turbo there.
What? With facing backwards? Yeah.
Screw and pipe there.
All right. I'm on board.
So I've got
where's
twin
the-
webbers in my
where's the
room.
exhaust?
The exhaust is underneath.
Weird. Look, that, honestly, that looks like a Renault 5 carb. I reckon Renault 5 carb. You'll get your noises, your choo-choo noises,
Yeah.
and then you'll be able to run. Yeah, I reckon a little smart car turbo here.
Yeah. There's all the other turbo imps who've put the turbo here. Most of them, apart from James, who put it down there. But he
I
didn't
think-
keep his for too long. So most of them put a front rad in,
Yeah.
put it here. But I want to keep the original rad.
Yeah, I
and
reckon you
make
could
it
fit
like
a little smart car to
compact.
move this
Yeah.
pipe, and away you go.
Yeah, this don't have to be there. It's
And
breather,
then just
innit?
run like a little charge cooler or something.
Yeah, literally. There's a lot of people put something in there and then make a duct kind of thing.
They're a weird
They're-
car,
yeah.
man. I love them.
There's not a lot of room. That's the problem. Like,
This reminds me of like an old air. I know it's not air
does
cooled,
look
but it looks
air-cooled,
like
like
air
a
cooled. It's
Porsche,
like an
yeah.
old Porsche engine, yeah. And the weird engine mounts.
yeah, it was clean, and then I put this engine in, and my dizzy mount snapped, and then sprayed oil everywhere, and then we just didn't clean it. We just put the dizzy back on.
What's the exhaust? Is the exhaust an off-the-shelf thing, or is that something
No,
you made
so
up?
this I'm on my 8th exhaust. This is just so basically I had a bike box on it
Yeah,
to
yeah.
see how it sounded on it. So I traded James R23 race cam, which is right in his race car.
Yeah.
For that manifold, big ball race manifold. And then I had a bike box on it. It spat in flames, but it looked awful.
Yeah. Was it like a carbon fibre type?
It
thing?
looked
yeah.
naff. So then I went to Nick, the one with the green imp,
Yeah.
and he was like, "Oh, you can have that." So I just
That looks
clamped
wicked.
on,
That's perfect.
and
Little
it
out of the
works.
road, job done.
Yeah, it does its job.
Yeah, man.
It sounds quite nice as well.
Yeah, I'll be interested to see it with a turbo on. That'd be jokes.
That'd be wicked. It's just, like, I've got bits like, I've got a manifold plate ready and stuff, like little things, but I just need to actually do it.
What's this rad? Is that something?
This is
that
unrated one.
Yeah, 4 and imp.
It's
yeah.
yeah.
Well, like, you need to be able to make it
The
drive
back's
this low.
going lower, the back should sit, the arch will be here. That's the aim.
Yeah.
Which it should do. It could do it right now if my bags were smaller.
Yeah.
But instead of putting smaller bags on, we're going to put smaller mounts, like lower mounts. But the front is literally on the floor, like the tub. The tub is like on the floor.
It's a wicked colour as well.
Yeah.
Wouldn't change
There's not
that.
many.
Right, just got back. That was an awesome little meet. Good to catch up with the guys, see 80 and that lot from Hallscorts. I haven't seen Terry for a long time, so it's good to have a little look around his K20 Mark II. And Kieran, obviously Marcus Hayes turned up for a bit. Had a good old chat with him. Yeah, it's a good little meet. Bit of a mission. Didn't enjoy sitting in the M25 for almost knocking on the door for 3 hours. Obviously this isn't the most comfortable car to be sat in hot traffic, but yeah, I think it was well worth the trip up there. And Harry, my new friend from work, I think he had a good time. Inspired him to crack on with some of his projects that he's got going on at the moment. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, leave a comment, every little helps. And yeah, you can check out the sweet merch in the link below. Yeah, until next time, I'll catch up with you guys later. Take it easy.